What's up, man? It's your boy Rick in the 6-2, and I am back with another video, man. Right now we got an early morning start. I'm at Big Boy Ram, as y'all see in the title. We're gonna be doing some installment, as y'all see behind me. Got that lift kick in the back seat. As I told y'all in my previous video, I wanted to do it myself, but my cousin Marcus didn't think it was a good idea because of what he's seen in his past. You know, people think they got it, and turns out they don't got it. And he said he don't want me to fall into the same category. So he told me just go on schedule an appointment. And, you know, they gonna go and knock it out for me. Well, they ain't gonna just knock it out. It's gonna take some time. But, I'm gonna stay here all day and make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, get the full process, you know, skip through. My bull's working. I don't even think they're here yet. I'm passing by the shop now, ain't nobody here yet. That's actually good because I'm gonna go grab me something to eat. He's gonna put a new sign up. Yeah, that's actually good. I'm gonna go grab me something to eat, y'all. But yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. Trying to start this transformation for the truck. Only thing that was just getting in my way was doing the lift kick. I was, you know, I wanted to do it. You know, I know there would have been some good footage to see doing the installment myself, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta do it the right way. You gotta do it the safe way. I know I wasn't gonna do it the right way at all. I was just gonna do my best, and it probably wasn't gonna be the best way to do it. So I'm gonna let the professionals go and handle it for me. Yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on all post notifications so you can catch the all the future videos that I got planned for you guys. The transformation for the Big Boy Ram. And with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all at Truck Shop. Alright guys, I had to go leave and go pick up something because speaking of lift kicks, look at these boys here. We had to my cousin asked me a favor to go pick this up. This joker here, it drives real good. But this is something I really wanted. Like, this is a gold right here. I already sitting on rough countries. Big Boy Silverado. Got the fuel, what size the 24s? Yeah, 24s on here, 35s. Sound good too. This a gold here though. When I trade my old Ram, this me right here, y'all. Yeah, that boy sound good. But yeah, that's what we picked up. It's riding real good. Get y'all back to this process. getting cold out here, y'all. But we finally done with the truck. I'm gonna let y'all catch this pull out. Man, it's cold. What y'all think about the new lift kit? I wanted to surprise y'all with the new wheels, but I couldn't put the factories back on because of the part. I went from 17s to 20s. Just got some used tires for right now. What y'all think about that lift kit though? Sir, I'm finna go walk up there, do a little quick walk around. If y'all messing with it, rocking with it, go on, smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? We just getting started with this transformation, doing lights, nets, so y'all stay tuned for that next video. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this walk around real quick, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. What you think that noise was, Jose?